so much stuff here. There's plants galore back there.
I'm gonna go look at them.
Well, we can't resell this stuff. What the hell are we buying plants for?
Really cool pot.
Okay. How much you spend, by the way?
That was $1.
Okay.
This is $2.
Cool. A little indoor plant.
Yeah, and this is supposed to be cat safe.
Okay.
And then I got a fern for 75 cents. Technically $1 because I would keep the quarter.
Yeah, I think for the people that enjoy plants, this is probably a really good deal. This is cool. I got a pickleball paddle and an Invicta Selkirk Amped. Nothing crazy. This is one of their cheaper ones, but it was $1. So a little beater paddle for when friends come and play. That's the first scores of the morning. Bonafide Hustler here, and we are going to go to garage sales today. They're spread apart, but my girlfriend's going to be part of the first hour. And who knows what we're going to find. Come join. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of a small spaceship. And our goal is to fill this thing up if we can. But it's being highly unlikely because there's just not that many garage sales today. We're going to go check it out. We have an idea of where we want to go. First link down below, there's a free guide that you can check out if you want to learn how to do this. You're going to probably need some items to get on the top of your head. So there's a free guide on the first link down below that'll teach you some items that you should start looking out for at garage sales and thrift stores. Here we go. The adventure starts. And funny thing is, the next garage sale we're going to go, I actually saw that lady yesterday and I hit her up on a day that her garage sale was not going on. And I did buy an N64 in box. And a couple other things and games that are in box. Yeah, so I got to that one early, but we're gonna go to there now, and she had a lot of purses, and I'm gonna bring my girlfriend there. Yeah, so now we're outside of the house where I bought that N64 yesterday. My girlfriend's gonna go check out the purses. I'll go up there in a second. But what I did was, I just saw it on Craigslist, and I was like, okay, and this was Friday, this was yesterday afternoon. And there's a chat function on there. I'm just like, oh, could I come by early? And she actually did let me come by early. So yeah, this is the first time in my life that I actually found an N64 in box. I guess when I get home, if I remember, I'll show you guys like what I got. But I don't think I got the greatest deal. But I love rescuing stuff like this. So when you see it later, you're gonna be like, oh, that's really cool. But like, am I gonna make a ton of cheddar on it? No. Did I rescue it? Yes. There's no sense in what I do sometimes, right? And it doesn't matter if it's a Transformer or a G.I. Joe figure, or, if it's slightly profitable or even just by a little bit, like, I'm probably going to buy it because I just like rescuing this stuff. I don't know how to explain it. I think it has something to do with the fact that when I was younger, I didn't have this stuff. So it's like now that I'm older and I have money, it's like I can acquire it. Does that make sense? It probably doesn't make sense, but that's the way I justify it, or that's the most logical way to look at it. Is that it's probably due to the fact that I didn't have it when I was younger. But yeah, I guess I'll go say hi to this lady. She'll remember me. Man, it is such a beautiful day outside. It's like overcast, a little breezy. It's a good day for garage sales. All right, this is what we got. So how much you spend? Hello, how much did you spend? She wants to go so bad. She's like, let's get the hell out of here. Yo, we have enough time.
7 and 3.
Hey, don't you throw a temper tantrum right now. What the hell? Don't do that. What are you doing? Be nice to those purses. Since she did that, they're probably going to sell for $10 a piece. She's not going to make any money on it. No, they'll probably sell for like 40, 50 a piece. But she's being a little bratty right now. It's okay though. We got a garage sale here. And clearly I've cleaned my window very well, which I haven't, but there's somewhere over here. Are we going to find some cheddar? We don't know. It does look like there's stuff here though, but I don't know how good it's gonna be. We'll see. Okay, so how much you spend? $2?
$2.
Little Y2K looking purse. In the booth, how much?
I'm around 70 for this guy.
Okay, that's pretty cool. And then we got a snorkel for free for that surface level cheddar. All right, our next garage sale. Let's see if we can find anything here. After this, I'm gonna go to Central Austin. Okay, leaving that garage sale with these Vapor Maxes. They were $1. You know, Vapor Maxes usually sell between like 50 and 75 for regular ones. So yeah, $1 Nike Vapor Max 10.5. Nothing super crazy, but that is my first score of the morning, technically. Okay, this is the garage sale, the last one before. Take my girlfriend back to the house. We're super close to my house. See if we can find anything here, and then I'll be on my own the rest of the day. Oh, what's up, dude? Like the top states. What? Yeah. Oh no. Okay, so we got away from that garage sale. It turns out I know the guy from the neighborhood. Girlfriend got some like Halloween stuff. That's for just us. And then got some bed stew boots. These are usually like 50 to 70 bucks, although I might give these to a neighbor because it's his size. But these are nice. Bed stew is an interesting brand. I haven't found it in a while. So there you go. Look at that. Those were free, by the way. Okay, so I dropped the girlfriend off, and it's like 9:45 in the morning. So I don't even know if I'm going to find any more garage sales today or any good ones, but I'm walking up on one right now. Yeah, that one though was not that good. Didn't have a good feel to it, so I'm gonna head into Central Austin and see if I can fix the day by finding a couple things. I don't know. On the way to the next garage sale, I found a random garage sale. It's just on the same street, so, or on the street leading up to it. Well, who knows? Could find something good. You just never know. And I just gotta not die when I cross the street. We'll be good. Okay, nothing there, but honestly, it only cost me about a minute and a half, so it was worth checking it out. All right, this is the garage sale I was supposed to go to, so who knows? I mean, it's definitely got stuff. It could be a reseller. We don't know anything. Well, who knows? Check it out. Why not?
Thanks, Al. Have a blessed day. Have a good one.
She said I had a good eye. You know why? Look at that, $1 at a garage sale. Now look, we're not finding any major things today, but this is a 1987 by Takara Transformer, a G1 Transformer. Gosh, I love finding these things. They're so cool. I'll look it up later and everything like that, but this is probably worth 40 to 80 bucks, something like that. I would think. Yeah, there's a 1987 Transformer G1 right there. Pretty awesome for $1. Boom. She said it was her husband's when he was a kid. I think it's modeled after an F-111 or possibly a Tomcat because it has the swept wings, you know, an F-14. But it kind of has a weird look like an F-111 right here in the front. But it's probably modeled after an F-14 Tomcat. Pretty cool Transformer. I didn't think I was going to find a Transformer today. They're so hard to find now. But yeah, pretty neat. Okay, from that garage sale, $1 pair of vintage-ish Justin boots. Kind of like 40, 50 in the booth. Little shorty ones, not totally tall, like mid-calf, but the shorty. So, yeah. For $1, you can't miss on these. Now, truth be told, I've actually popped into 2 thrift stores, but I didn't put it on this vlog yet. I'm going to pop into one more, go to a farmer's market, and maybe I'll find another garage sale. But it's not looking super good this morning. I'm still going to air the footage because, you know, not every day is like a total win. We got some plants. We got some purses. We got the G1 Transformer. Yeah, which is called Darkwing, by the way. It's not highbrow, but Darkwing. And I was right around, my estimates were correct on that little guy, you know. But we'll see what else we can find. Maybe we can find something at a thrift store too. And then, yeah, that's what I'm just gonna air the footage. So I'm trying to be smart about the day, but these garage sales are super far apart from each other that it might make more sense for me to just hit a couple thrift stores and then do the farmer's market thing. And then I'm gonna go to the Springs and get some sun before some rainstorm comes in the next couple days. Gotta get some sun. As I was driving around, I was looking on Facebook Marketplace and I found another garage sale that got posted 34 minutes ago. So we're about to walk up on this thing. It's like $11.50. But you never know. And then I saw another garage sale sign on the way to this one, so I might have to go look at that one too. Dang, man. You know, it's one of those days where just a lot of strikeouts, and then you just find a random transformer, but let's see if I can find that other one. All right, so I couldn't find that other garage sale. So maybe a thrift store, then the farmer's market, and then this vlog is done. That's our last stop of the day right there, that Goodwill. Maybe we'll find something in there. I actually went to the farmer's market already, and the next stop is the Springs. Let me see if I can get there. God, it's just a very chaotic part of town. There's just so much going on right here. So one last stop at the Goodwill, we'll see. Okay, so yeah, the day wasn't the best day, but you know, we found some things, and strangely enough, those bed stew boots, I think those are called cobbler models. Those actually have a chance of reselling between like 150 and like 200 bucks. I'm not even kidding. So that's probably where most of the money is going to go. The G1 Transformer is going to shake out okay. I found the boots, by the way, at one of my friend's garage sales. He's moving. He's like, you take whatever you want, basically. And I loosely know him. Let's put it that way. Like, we see each other at the dog park kind of setup. All that said, you know, not every single weekend can be like a home run kind of weekend, but I didn't think it was all that bad for what we found. And I forgot the fact that we found those purses and all that other random stuff, you know. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this vlog, let me know, put a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.